Hi, I'm Sister Mercedes.
And I'm Sister Peter Thomas. Welcome to Manners Monday. Today we're talking about apologies, giving them and receiving them.
That was my line.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Apologies are great. They can help clear the air and repair relationships.
So the first tip is that not everything requires the same kind of apology. Right? Bumping someone accidentally in the hallway is not the same thing as losing your temper and exploding in their face. Sometimes it's fine to just say, I'm sorry, and move on.
But sometimes when you really mess up, you want to do a full apology. It's necessary.
So, first of all, make sure you actually say, I'm sorry. Be specific about what you're apologizing for. And you can explain if you need to, but don't make excuses for your behavior.
Sister, I'm sorry for not showing up to help wash the dishes.
Second, it's good to tell the other person that you know that what you did impacted them.
I know that what I did was frustrating and probably caused more work.
And if you can, you'll say what you'll do differently in the future.
Sister, I should ask someone to help you next time. I know that'd be more helpful.
When you're the one receiving the apology, you can say, I forgive you, or just, thanks for the apology. Thanks for joining us for Manners Monday.
Remember, like and subscribe.
See you next week.
See ya.
I don't have any jokes because I'm just so busy being sorry.
Apologizing.
I'm so sorry. And thanks for joining us for Manners Monday.
Like and subscribe. We're trying.